And here's I will show you the exact way to add blur effect to your OBS. So we have to install a OBS plugin to use the blur effect. So you have to open this website, and you get this website link in this video description box. Just come to this website. So this is the composite blur effect. Click on download to download the plugin. So choose file here. If you're using Linux, then download the Linux version. You can also download Mac OS, and if you're using Windows computer, then just download this installer.zip file. Once the plugin successfully downloaded, go ahead and simply install this plugin on your computer. Then you have to restart the OBS, and then under sources, select the source where you want to add the blur effect. Then click on filters, and here under effect control, you have to click on this plus icon, and here you have to select this composite blur effect. Click on OK, and then here we can see the blur effect successfully added. Now you can change the blur algorithm by clicking on this drop down. You can select box, you can select dual chaos, you can select pixelate, you can select temporal. The best option is select Gaussian, and blur type, you can change blur type as well, just like this. I'm selecting area, and then using this blur radius box, you can adjust your blurriness, and then just click on close, and that's how you can actually add blur effect to our OBS.